So we're just leaving Beijing now. I have to say, everything is clean and tidy. It's a lovely train. Really, really nice. And I'll try and get the speed coming up a bit later. We're doing about 20 miles an hour now, so it's not particularly exciting, but I'm sure it will pick up once we get out of the city. So we're at, well, top speed now, I think. Let's just have a look at the display, see what it's got to say. We're on C2223, that's our train. It comes up with the temperature and it comes up with the speed. It's 20 degrees outside and it's an absolutely gorgeous day. It says 9 degrees, but actually it feels warmer. And we're heading to the coast now, so I think we've got a pleasant day. There we go, 306 kilometers per hour. Fantastic. Well, we're off the train now. We're in Tianjin. I'm not sure I've pronounced it correctly. And just having a little look around the Italian area. Bizarrely, there was an Italian community here that built a lot around 1900, and then it was became properly Chinese 1950. So there's loads of statues and buildings which are all Italian. So we're hoping we're going to be able to get an Italian lunch, pizza or pasta or something today. Yeah, fascinating. Oh, look, could be some tentacles in there, or is it fruit? I'm not sure. Or soap, or I don't know what it is. Here we are at Tianjin railway station. So we've had a day in Tianjin and we're just going to make our way back to Beijing. So I thought I would have a bit of a wander around the train station, which again feels like a big airport. Let's have a look at some of the shops and hear the sounds of people, because it's getting a bit busier now. I guess there's been a lot of people who've come in for a day trip. It's quite a nice place to walk around and they're going home.
那个是什么火锅？
女士们、先生们，你们好！由天津开往北京南方向的乘2246次列车即将开始解放了，有乘坐乘2246次列车的客，请整理好自己在行李物品，到12A、13A、12B、13B 检票口排队检票，您先准备。Beijing to Beijing. 女士们、先生们，你们好。由天津开往北京南方向的乘2。
So we've now got our tickets. You have to show your passport, but they do take debit cards, which was good because quite often there's a bit of stress around how you pay for things with WeChat or Alipay. But we're now looking for the check-in. Now, when we got to the train station, I thought, oh, are we in the wrong place? Is this an airport? Because it feels like an airport. You've got check-in desks. The trains, I assume, are underground, this check-in area. So we're just going to see if we can get checked in now. You have to have passports for everything. Yeah, so it does feel like an airport. But we have got first-class tickets, which I think were 88, so that's £8-ish. If you wanted VIP with the stretch-out seats, it was more like 300 and something, but for half an hour, I don't think we really need it. Right, that's 4. So we are right at the front.
Perhaps we're up with the driver.
So 2. Or are we at the back? I can't work it out. It's not, yeah, it's not the pointy end, is it?
And the pilot.
Yes, he was going that way.
Oh, this is definitely one.
Yeah, so I'm O3A.
Thank you. Thank you.
一样的，3A 3C。
Three. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
very much. Thank you.
So this is the standard class or second class. So you get 3 seats and 2. And then if I wander back, we have the first class seats, which are 2 and 2. Now there is another class, which is the VIP class, which we didn't go for because it was quite a bit more money, and then you get the stretch out big seats. But yeah, these look super comfy, very clean and tidy.